My presentation is on nature-based solutions, challenges, and opportunities, which is a perspective from Kenya. And my name is Stephen Kingoo. I'm based in the Ministry of Environment and Forestry, and I'm an Assistant Director of Forestry. And I'm now representing the head of Forest Conservation, Mr. Afren Gishu. Welcome to my presentation. Introduction. In Kenya, we are hard hit by the effects of climate change, which are quite real. These include droughts, floods, which negatively impact on socio-economic activities, leading to significant loss of our gross domestic product of about 3 to 5% per year. To reverse this negative trend, one of the key mitigating factors is the conservation and the protection of the biodiversity and its ecological systems, among others. So, all ecosystems must be protected, whether wetlands, whether forests, either agricultural ecosystems, so that we can have good returns at the end. Next slide. And in protection and in conservation of these ecosystems, there are accompanying challenges, which include floods, biodiversity loss, reduced food production, increased human-wildlife conflicts, emergence of invasive species, unprecedented increase of water levels in oceans, lakes, and other watersheds, outbreak of diseases and pests, extinction of flora and fauna, increased droughts, increased fires, among others. Next, please. In nature-based, there are some of the nature-based solutions. In Kenya, for example, agroforestry. And in agroforestry is whereby we combine all efforts of farming, whereby tree farming, where trees are planted among crops and animals, can limit the amount of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere by binding carbon in vegetation and soil. The cultivation systems contributes to adaptation to the effects of the climate change. Trees in the agricultural landscapes, farmlands, increase the soil's ability to capture and retain water in the soil and recharge underground water. Giving incentives to communities to start nature-based activities for landscape restoration, for example, establishment of tree nurseries for income-generating activities. Then, development of socio-economic and environmental viable strategies to protect and conserve biodiversity ecosystems. And also working together with other sectors to protect the environment. And we have some of the opportunities, which include enabling policies and viable strategies which are in place, Kenya membership in international conventions, Kenya's position in regional integrations, the presence of permanent lakes and rivers in Kenya, qualified professional and institutions of higher learning, the presence of willing government administrations in collaboration, and supportive political environment. Next. Thank you.